Hello, my name is Isobel and I'm a first year BSc Occupational Therapy student at Leeds Beckett University. Leeds Beckett stood out to me as a prospective student because it was somewhere I could really envision myself studying. When I attended an open day and my interview, I got a really good vibe from the university and the student ambassadors that I met. The staff members were really enthusiastic and friendly too, and I felt like although the course is quite academically rigorous, I knew it would be a supportive environment, and I can speak from experience now as well and say that it is, and that my first impressions were accurate. um, some other things that encouraged me to apply to Leeds include the fact that we're quite a small cohort. There's around 30 people in my year, and because of that, I feel like I've managed to get to know everyone. We've got a big group chat where everyone can talk and ask questions, and yeah, it's nice. It's a good little group. So Leeds itself is actually my hometown, but it's also quite a large student city, which I like. I feel like there's always something going on or somewhere to be, and obviously things are a bit different this year with lockdown restrictions and the pandemic, but I'm really looking forward to when everything opens up again. There's loads and loads of opportunities to get to know people, both inside and outside of your course. You can find a list of societies and sports clubs on the Leeds Beckett Student Union website, which is helpful. So practice placements are located within Leeds as well, which is something that really stood out to me when I was looking at unis. Lots of other universities I'd visited had quite a large area in which you can be allocated a placement, whereas at Leeds Beckett it's much smaller, so you don't have to worry about travel or potentially having to find somewhere to stay. My first placement is coming up in the next few weeks, and I'm really excited. You can get sent to a really wide range of services, so it could be within the NHS, the council, a charity, or in the private sector. And you get to experience working with a really diverse client or patient group, so it's really interesting. BSc Occupational Therapy is a vocational or professional course that's accredited by the Royal College of Occupational Therapists and is also approved by the Health and Care Professions Council, which means that upon graduating, you're qualified to work as an occupational therapist within the UK. So I'm personally not currently sure what area of occupational therapy I'd like to work in when I graduate, but I've got another 2 and a bit years to go, so I'm not worrying too much about that yet. We get taught about the different areas of occupational therapists work in, such as stroke rehabilitation, child and adolescent mental health services, working with people who've had falls or people who are homeless, and loads more. And I think our experiences on placement will help shape our idea of where we'd like to work in the future as well. So for people who are thinking of studying occupational therapy, I really recommend it and I'm enjoying it so far. There's lots of good information on the Royal College of Occupational Therapists website, which gives you a good overview of what occupational therapy actually is. And there's plenty of info on the Leeds Beckett University webpage as well. I'd recommend attending an open day too, because they can be really helpful in just giving you an idea of what the university and studying here is actually like. Overall, uni has been really enjoyable and engaging this year. Leeds Beckett and the occupational therapy course have been really good at keeping students up to date with everything and trying to support everyone during online learning. Obviously, I'm a bit biased because I'm currently studying here, but yeah, I'd really recommend it. Thank you for watching.